I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will see how to solve rational equations. We have x minus 5 divided by 1 minus x equals to 3 minus x over x minus 1. To solve a rational expression, in this case we could cross multiply and then do the needful. What we also note here is they have similar denominators, 1 minus x and x minus 1. So what we can do here is that we can rewrite this expression with same denominator, or we can multiply both sides by x minus 1, right? So either way we can look into this question. I'll prefer to show you clearly what I'm trying to say. So let's begin by rewriting the question, which is x minus 5 over 1 minus x. I could write this as minus of x minus 1. Do you see that? If I open this, I get 1 minus x, right? Is equals to 3 minus x over x minus 1. Do you see that? Now, if I multiply both sides by x minus 1, what do I get? What I'm trying to say at this stage is that let me multiply both sides by x minus 1. Then we get x minus 5 in the numerator. This cancels out with a negative sign. So we get negative of this, correct? Because of this negative sign, equals to 3 minus x. Do you see that? So that is what I'm trying to show you. So they have similar denominators, correct? Now we can bring all the terms to one side and solve for x. So we can take this term to the right side, so negative becomes positive, so we get 0 of 3 minus x, so we have plus x minus 5, right? So when you add them up, you get 0 equals 2, minus x plus x is 0, 5 minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. Since you know that minus 2 can never be 0, so we have no solution. So for this particular rational equation, we have no solution. That is one part. Now, the other part was to state restrictions. The values which make the denominator 0 are not allowed. They will make it undefined, and so they are called restrictions. So 1 minus x is not allowed to be 0. So the restriction here is that x is not equal to 1. Same is the case with the other denominator. So we have one restriction, that is x is not equal to 1. So our answer here is, as far as restrictions goes, that x is not equal to 1. And as far as solution goes, we do not have any solution to this rational equation. Thank you.